Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the reduction ratio in the fax settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let's head over to the menu. Now in the menu, we want to go over to function settings, and after that, go to receive and forward. Click on the fax settings. And here we need to scroll down until we see the use reduce RX size. We need to click it and we need to make sure that it's enabled. Now after that we will be able to change the reduction ratio. So as you guys can see, for me it's set to auto now, but here we can change it to 97, 95, 90 or 75%. So there's a big gap between all of those. You guys can set up 75%, but it will be too much. I personally use either auto or 95. I think it's the best, but whenever you go for lower, I think it will be just not good at all. So that's basically how you guys can change the reduction ratio. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.